We start by removing the old tile and underlayment. Every nail is pulled with precision, the lumps and glue are cleaned off by using an oscillating tool, preparing the surface for a fresh start. Next, the subfloor is wiped clean with a damp sponge to remove the dust. We thoroughly vacuum the floor. A spotless surface ensures maximum thinset bond and a long-lasting installation. A soupy consistency thinset is worked into the plywood to promote strong adhesion. Then, we comb thinset in one direction evenly to prepare for Ditra installation. Ditra uncoupling membrane is rolled out and embedded into the thinset using a grout float. This locks the membrane's fleece in place and collapses the ridges, ensuring full contact. We repeat the process, securing every section for a flat and stable tile base. With Ditra fully embedded, the surface is now ready for tiling. We spread thinset on the back of the tile for optimal bonding. This process is often called back buttering. The lippage control spacers are set to maintain perfectly flat transitions between tiles. The tile is carefully placed over thinset combed in one direction to prevent air pockets and ensure minimum 80% coverage as required by TCNA guidelines. Full coverage is essential to prevent cracks, ensure a strong bond, and avoid hollow spots that can lead to tile failure. We use the push and pull technique to collapse ridges and achieve 100% thinset contact underneath the tile. Each tile is checked with a spirit level to confirm it's set flat and even with adjacent pieces. Finally, the leveling system is locked down, eliminating any remaining tile movement. Precision cuts are made for vents and obstacles. To mark a precise cutout, we start by transferring measurements to the back of the tile. Then, we flip it over and connect the points on the front to draw clean, accurate lines. Once the cutout is marked, we use a grinder or a wet saw to make the cuts, ensuring a perfect fit around vents, outlets, or obstacles. After the cut is complete, we dry fit the tile to ensure a perfect fit. Once confirmed, we spread thinset on the floor and back butter the tile to maximize bond strength, then set it into place for a clean, secure installation. Progress continues across the floor, each tile laid with care, craftsmanship, and consistency. The result: precision cut edges, consistent grout lines, and a clean, modern finish ready to stand the test of time.